Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed Google Maps, including Google Street View imagery, into your Canva designs and presentations. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. Let's say I'm a student who's making a presentation about Mount Hood, and I've gone into Canva's education templates for presentations, and I found one that I liked, this one here, and I modified it a little bit and put my own title in here, and I even swapped in this little skier graphic in place of the default graphic that was there. And now on my next slide, I have this blank space where I want to put in a map of Mount Hood. So I'm going to go over here to the embeds option, and I'm going to put in a link to a Google map for Mount Hood. And you can see here I've already found one. And I want to just hit this share button and copy that link. And now I can go up here and paste in the link to that map. And Canva will put that map right into the presentation. And the neat thing about this, that I'll show you in just a moment, is that you can actually interact with the map within the Canva presentation itself. But I also want to show you how you can do this with Street View imagery. So I have another slide set up here, again with this blank space on it, and I want to put in Street View imagery of Mount Hood. So I'm going to grab the little peg person over here and drag it onto the map until I see a little spot where it reveals some imagery. And let's say we're here near the peak of Mount Hood, and in the upper left-hand corner, we'll see this little menu where we can share or embed an image. And again, let's copy that link and go back to our presentation and paste that link into the design. And now we can drag it over and resize it as needed. And so there it is. Let's move it a little bit more. Perfect. Now, I told you can interact with this imagery in your presentation, and here's how it looks. Let's go ahead and hit that present button. We'll present it in a standard view for now. And here we can see I can now pan right through this imagery in the presentation itself. And if I go back to the previous slide, you can see over here, I can even zoom in or zoom out in the map itself as embedded in the presentation. And of course, when I'm done with the presentation, I can exit the full screen and I'm back to my slide editor. Now, up here, I can share this, and we can share it not only as a set of slides, but we can also share it as a website. And so we can share this presentation as a website. I can just give people this link to it, and they'll also be able to view this and zoom in or zoom out if they want to, and they can go here and they can pan and zoom right through the image over here as well. So that's how you can include Google Maps, including Google Street View imagery, in your Canva designs and presentations. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.